Having our own R&D department and test facilities gives us a unique flexibility. We constantly develop our product range to follow the fast-changing market trends and to offer the widest range in the aftermarket. The highest OE standards commits us to test our products to ensure the highest cooling performance and durability. All products developed by Nissens are subjected to complex life and performance tests.
The compressor is the most advanced piece of component in the AC system. It creates pressure in the system and makes sure the refrigerant loop is always efficient. Mechanically, the compressors have gotten more and more advanced during the years. Having this in mind, Nissens has decided to develop its compressors with focus on the highest product quality, thus performance and reliability. Because of the compressor's complexity and construction, we actually expose all the compressors for a very strict test program in our test lab. With the advanced test equipment, we're able to simulate real-life conditions under operation and hereby thoroughly test the durability and performance of our compressors. All Nissens compressors comply 100% with the OE standards and requirements. We are the only European aftermarket manufacturer that are able to carry out such advanced tests.
This performance test is carried out in order to ensure that the performance of the compressor complies 100% with the OE requirements regarding efficiency. During this test, we carefully control the compressor speed, suction pressure and discharge pressure in order to define the volumetric efficiency. With this expression, we are able to determine if the compressor fulfills requirements regarding performance. Furthermore, during this test, we monitor and analyze the behavior of the clutch in order to see if the clutch had the right functionality. This test bench is for durability test of the compressor. The test bench is built up in the same way as the air conditioning system in a car. It contains, of course, the compressor, condenser, evaporator and an expansion valve. This test program can simulate the normal working condition in a car. But we want to push the compressor to its limits in order to ensure that we have full functionality in the entire lifetime of the compressor. During this test, the compressor is tested in 5 steps with different speeds and loads. The first test is carried out with a normal load of 16.2 bars and the speed of 2000 RPM, where we check the functionality and the noise level of the compressor. In step number 2, the compressor gets into a constant active operation under a high speed of 5000 RPM with a discharge pressure of 11.7 bars. Step number 3 is a start-stop test of the compressor, where the compressor is running with 5000 RPM and with a discharge pressure of 16.2 bars for 12 seconds. Then the compressor is stopped for 5 seconds and then activated again. Step number 4 is an extreme part of the test, where the compressor is constantly tested under a very high load of 30 bars and with a low speed of 600 RPM. Step 5 is exactly the same as the first. This step is performed to see if there have been any changes in the durability of the compressor.
After each test, we thoroughly analyze the compressor and its components' ability to properly operate. For instance, clutch, pulley, bearings and valves. Additionally, Nissens compressors are exposed to random tests with a special focus on critical components, all to ensure a stable quality and operation of the compressor. Among the crucial results being analyzed during the Compressors tests, we pay an extraordinary attention to two factors. The temperature, because this is one of the most important stress factors which influences the critical components of the compressor: oil, valves, gaskets and clutch. We focus both on unit and refrigerant temperature. Noise level, which according to OE requirements cannot exceed 75 decibel at 1000 RPM, and it influences on the vehicle's total noise emitted during operation.